bat, bat, bat. I see a bat in that tree. Bear, bear, bear. Polar bears are white. Cat, cat. I love cats. Cave, cave. A storm is coming towards us. Let's take shelter in that cave. Chicken, chicken. We are roasting chicken for dinner. Cow, cow. The cows were grazing in the meadow. Crocodile, crocodile. Crocodiles are not mammals. Dog, dog. My pet dog is called Rover. Duck, duck. We saw 3 ducks in the park lake. Elephant, elephant. Elephants live in both Asia and Africa. Farm, farm. We grow cows on our farm. Fish, fish. I only caught 2 fish. Frog, frog. There are 3 native species of frogs in England. Giraffe, giraffe. The family went to see the giraffe in the zoo. Goat, goat. The goats usually graze in this field. Hippo, hippo. Hippos live in or near rivers. Horse, horse. The horse likes to eat oats.